Hi, I'm Prav, Daikin's National Technical Manager, and I'm here to show you how to clean the filter in your Daikin split system. Ensuring the filters on your aircon are clean is essential not only for your comfort, but for the health and well-being of your family. Poorly maintained filters can also reduce energy efficiency. The first step is to turn off your air conditioner using the remote controller. Once the louvers are closed, lift up the front panel. Now that the filters are accessible, gently pull the air purifying filter out. Most Daikin split systems are also fitted with a more advanced titanium apatite or enzyme blue deodorizing filter. These filters not only trap microscopic airborne particles, but also assist to decompose odors, absorb and deactivate bacteria. These additional filters can be removed by unhooking them from the claws. Now, clean all the filters with a vacuum cleaner, or run it over lukewarm water, and air dry in the shade out of the direct sunlight. Neutral detergent can be utilized if the filters are heavily soiled. If the dirt and dust is heavy, wash thoroughly, but be sure not to wring out the filter afterwards. Now that the filters are clean, reattach the titanium apatite or blue enzyme deodorizing filter and slide back the filter into place. Close the front panel and now you're ready to use your Daikin split system. For more how-to videos, check out the Daikin Australia YouTube page.